French National Assembly votes for tougher registration rules for crypto firms. The approval Tuesday means a new regime cast in the wake of the FTX collapse will pass into law. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Join the most important conversation in crypto and Web3 taking place in Austin, Texas, April the 26th to the 28th. Secure your seat. Crypto firms will face tougher rules to register in France as of January, under plans voted on by the National Assembly on Tuesday that are now set to pass into law. Lawmakers voted 109 to 71 in favor of rubber-stamping plans, already approved by the Senate, that will see extra requirements on internal controls, cybersecurity and conflicts of interest. The new rules have been introduced in the wake of recent market turmoil, and as the country prepares for the arrival of new laws from the European Union. France is hoping to set itself up as a crypto hub, and companies such as Binance and Bitstamp have already successfully registered with France's Financial Markets Authority, AMF. Registration involves checks on governance and money laundering norms, and is mandatory for all those offering trading or custody services in the country. No firm has so far gained a license, a more burdensome procedure than registration of complying with financial norms. Strengthening France's regime was originally proposed by Senator Hervé Marie in December, who cited the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange and the need to avoid loopholes in the period before the EU's markets in crypto. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.